this segment, I'm going to show you how to change your Viper pre-treatment machine into an electric version as opposed to an air compressed unit. This will save you the hassle of dealing with your canisters as well as the noise of an air compressor. We'll start by removing the 8 screws on the top side here. Once we have our 8 screws out, we'll remove the top of the machine. And we still have 6 screws in place on the base of the machine that we'll need to take out. We have our 4 flat heads here. We also have 4 Allen screws that we'll need to get to. Some of them are behind these switch ports. A quick way to show you how to get around these, or to take these off I should say, is there are 2 little tabs on the side here. If you use the leverage of the base of it, you can slightly pop that tab out. And there's the other. We'll go ahead and do the same on this side, and I'm just using an Allen wrench for leverage. Okay. Once those are removed, we now have access to these Allen screws. Please be sure to save all screws used in the old unit, just in case you may need them in the new one. Once you remove the Allen screws, we still have these 4 flat heads. We'll go ahead and remove these. Now that we've removed all screws, we should be able to lift the unit off. Once we have our new unit unboxed, we'll place it on top of the machine, just like the previous one. We will need to remove the 8 screws again to get inside the machine. We will remove our cover. And now that we've done that, we are going to take the 4 Allen screws from the older unit and insert them to this one. The newer model is a bit more user-friendly in taking off these switch units. You'll simply just have to push down on that and pull it right out. We now have our screw hole exposed. And we will screw that in there just like we took the other one out. Once we've screwed that in, let's be sure to reattach our spray unit. Just pop that right back in there. Now to get to the other side, your machine's going to come with the emergency stop engaged. You will see that there is a hole down there, and we won't have access to it until we undo our emergency stop. Now we have access, we won't need to take anything off. Okay, now that we have that screwed in, the new unit is mounted to the machine itself. So we'll then put our cover back on with the 8 flathead screws. Okay, we are now secure. Your new unit will come with 3 tubing systems, one for the pre-treat, one for the water, and then there's also an option for clean. You'll have to check with your pre-treat manufacturer, but some of them offer a cleaning solution which you can then put in that slot. Since we're not going to be using one, we'll just go ahead and leave that empty for now. We'll go ahead and attach our pre-treat first, and you'll simply just seat it in, pull it out a little bit to make sure that nothing's coming out. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the water. Be sure after you've connected your tubes to put them in their respective positions, meaning the pre-treat in the pre-treat and the water in your water. We'll now connect the power into the back of the unit and the other end to a wall outlet. Once we've completed that, we'll turn the power on. And the next step is we are going to purge some of the pre-treat. We want to ensure that it comes up through the line, giving us a nice even spray. And we're going to go ahead and purge. Now that we have everything in place, we'll make sure that the machine's functioning correctly. So we'll address our shirt here. Make sure all sides are in control. Close the door. And we can adjust our spray length, which we recommend anywhere from 16 to 18 for adults. And we have about 30 grams going down on the shirt. We'll press the green button to start. And we'll pull the shirt out. We have a nice even spray, good amount of pre-treat down. You've now successfully converted your Viper 1 pre-treat machine.